Hey friends. Wow friends, here our animal truck is here, and the first animal we have it's a duck. Oh friends, see, very cool. And it's a duck, white color duck, and we have this white and pink color duck. Let's unload this animal and let's see more. Wow friends, it's a elephant. Hey, it's a elephant. Wow friends, very nice.
Wow, it's magical.
Let's see. Wow. Hey. It's a big elephant black color, and here is the elephant baby with him. Wow, friends. Hey, we have unloaded it. Let's see the next animal we have. Hey, wow, it's a cat. Hey. They are fighting, friends. Our cat is so nice. Let's took it into town and let's see the next one. Hey, the white color, a very big a dog. So many dogs babies are there. They are so cute. Let's unload our dog to the ground and let's see the next what we have. Hey friends, like, share and subscribe. Oh wow friends, it's a cow. A very beautiful and very nice cow. Very nice friends, it's a cow baby animal. Let's check some more animals. Very nice. Hey, it's a very big horse. Friends, so nice and very good looking a horse. Hey, it's fall down. Let's make it stand. Okay, friends. Hey, friends, it's a hen, white color chicken. Very nice. It's a chicken. Let's see the next one. Wow, friends, see how beautiful it is, and it's a pet animal, friends. A chicken, very big. Let's see the next one. Hey, friends, it's a very beautiful panda, baby panda. Hey, very cute pet animal. It's a panda, friends. Let's see the next one. Here is a cow. A very big and very beautiful white and black color. A cow, friends. Let's put his here and let's see the next one we have. And it's a leopard, friends. Yellow color leopard. A very dangerous animal. A wild animal, friends. A leopard. Very strong. Let's put it into here and let's see some more animals. Oh, very big. We have horse, friends. Wow, very beautiful. Our truck is almost unloaded. Let's see. Hey, it's a pigeon. Wow, friends. See how beautiful it is. A pigeon. Hey, there is lots of pigeons we have. Hey, wow, friends. White color pigeon. Let's unload our next truck and see what we have. Hey, it's a very big and very strong. The king of jungle lion. Hey, see how fast it is. Very dangerous. A wild animal. Lion. Let's see the next one. Hey, wow, friends. Hey, it's a hen, friends. Wow. Hey. Let's put into here and see the next one. Oh, very cute. A white color rabbit. Wow, friends, very small and very cute rabbit. Hey, the animal it is sheep. Hey, so many sheep here. We get wool from sheep. It's a sheep. Hey, hey, hey. Let's make it stand here. And the last animal from our truck, it's a very dangerous wild animal. It's a rhino. Hey, a rhino. So our all trucks are unloaded successfully and our all animals are out of the truck. Hey, wow, friends, we have done it. Our work is finished. Let's
To the
go
kitchen.
now. One, two, three, let's go. Wow.